So what's going on, Gas Gang? Today, we are back with an absolutely legendary video. Two things going down. Firstly, we are fitting one of, if not the best suspension kits available on the market to the DC5 Type R. And number two, we are going for a ride in the UK's maddest Nissan S15, guys. This is gonna be absolutely sick. So stay tuned and let's get it. Welcome to Officially Gas. Let's get it. So yes, guys, as the intro said, today, we are going for a mad ride in a 700 plus brake horsepower Nissan S15. Probably the UK's craziest right now. But before we do that, we are fitting one of, if not the craziest suspension systems to the DC5 Type R. And I could only bring it to one place to get it done. It's to my main man, Gio by Luke, back in the house. Bro, you have done literally all of my cars.
Every car you've had, it's been here on the ramp, giving you the sauce.
Yeah, yeah.
Happy days.
Drives in all wonky, drives out like
an arrow.
But yeah, for people who don't know you, Gio by Luke, YouTuber, Geo extraordinaire.
Crazy pink S15.
You know, and the rest, bro. This guy's got some crazy cars. And today, bro, do you want to talk them through what we're doing and why we're doing it?
Right, so what we're doing today is, Jamie's currently got yellow speed suspension. Can't really keep up with the power and stuff that he's got right now. The car's just trying to do a wheelie in there. So we've got the baddest BC racing coilovers that they can supply for Jamie's all-wheel drive Honda. So we're gonna get those fitted. Just get it all dialed in basically, so it's no more of this and just kind of, you know, gives it all the power he can get.
Yeah. So guys, I'll elaborate a little bit. So basically what you'll find and what you might have seen is when I'm launching this car, the back end really does squat and we think it doesn't help with the traction. So when the back dips so much, it seems like the front end is like obviously losing traction.
It's getting lighter, isn't it?
Yeah, it's getting lighter at the front. And what you'll see here is it is very, very low at the back. And also these yellow speeds are at the toughest spring rate they can have,
yeah,
right?
they're at the maximum dampening and maximum preload and they keep squatting, so they're just not good enough for your car.
They're not good enough. And guys, this is not a like-for-like swap out here. As I say, I keep hyping these BCs up, but it is a madness. It's
they're bad boys.
They're bad boys.
I can't lie.
Trust me, it's the ER series. And I think what we won't do is keep you guys in suspense too much more because we want to get this sorted out because this beast deserves better.
Oh, you need the sauce.
All right, bro, should we go show him?
Yeah, let's do it,
All right,
bro.
let's do it. The ER series have just touched down. The BC Racing coilovers. Show them, bro. Show them the reservoirs.
Look at the sauce. Sauce 1, sauce 2.
Man said sauce 1.
We got 30 clicks rebound, 30 clicks compression.
Jesus,
you know
explain that a little bit more to them.
What I'm saying is, this extra oil reservoir here is gonna allow allow me to fine tune this car so it doesn't do nothing mad now. It just does what it has to do perfectly.
Look at that. Bro, show them the rears.
Yes.
Show them, hang on. Bro, take that right there. Because you know with BC, every time they plug us with a little gift, and we got a nice little t-shirt for you. Look at that, bro, it looks like your size. Did you see that? Jeez, that's mad. Shout out to BC. Anyway, back to business. Bro, show them the machine gun.
Right, so...
Show them the machine gun.
When the ops pull up, yeah?
When the ops pull up, what we say?
We get down and we go, BC,
what?
BC.
Give me all the money.
See that there, yeah? I just fine-tuned my sniper, and that's it, it's game over.
Oh, man.
It's game over.
Yeah.
Big sauce right now.
Look at that. Now that is honestly, jokes
that is
aside, that is a work of art.
BC, I can't lie, that is 10.
Premium, innit?
Yeah, that's
everything's premium.
Even just the weight of it. I don't know, like you guys obviously can't feel it, but the weight of that,
hefty.
That's just
hefty.
That's just money.
It's hefty.
Yeah. With these, you can fine tune the whole car innit? With the geometry.
Yep.
And with this, 10-10.
10-10.
Yeah, 10-10.
Sick, bro. As I say, when it comes to this car, we ain't messing around. Literally, this car deserves the best. Everyone knows it's my baby.
Bro, it's getting the best.
It's
getting the best.
So absolutely blown away with these. ER series, I mean, if you're going for something like this, you're serious about your car. And yeah, shout out to BC once again because I'm serious about my car. So, bro, without further ado, because also we're gonna go for a little tear up in your 700 700 plus brake horsepower
They ain't
S15
ready.
all the way over there, and we're about to do a madness with it.
They ain't ready for that.
No one's ready for this. But before that, shall we get these fitted?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. All right, bro, before we get back to the Integra, it's time to talk about the bad boy S15. In fact, this has got to be the craziest in the country right now.
Well, yeah, I can't lie.
There's going to be drifters out there who probably disagree, but I mean, for a road car, right?
Yeah, for a road car, S15 with a SR, I don't think there's many cars out there that's on this level.
On this level. Yeah. And a lot of people will know this car. It's actually a very well-known car. It's been on my channel once, twice in fact. You've been on the OG Battles. I think you've been on LLF. You've been on a few other people's channels, but not of this power. Now, you've had a lot of work done, right?
Yeah. So I just got it back. Now we got a SR dart and sleeve block, half-inch head starts, billet, main caps, built by DY Engines.
Okay.
So yeah, it's all super duper now. I've got, actually this is a GTX casing with a G3770 core.
Okay.
Built by Turbo Midlands.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's like it's a bit of a sleeper turbo.
Yeah.
That's it, 2.2 bar boost.
Really? And it makes what kind of power?
It actually made 616 to the wheels on ethanol.
Okay.
And on the roads, it was on an E35 and we're on E40 now on the road. So it should be a little bit more than 700 horsepower.
That's insane.
Yeah, out of a little
That's
SR.
insane. Out of a little SR, a little 2 litre. What management is it on again?
So we're on a Link ECU. Link ECU, just big boy injectors, drive-by-wire, all the bits that you need to do, really.
Yeah. And this car, it's hard to keep it in a straight line, shall we say.
Yeah, they're going to see that now. They're going to see that now.
All right, bro, so nothing left to do but go for a little rip in this bad boy S15,
man, let's go light it up, go show everyone what
let's
time
go
it
do
is.
it, man. Let's get into it. Alright, cool. So what's the score today?
So we're going to go out on low boost, just to get a feel of it. It's really greasy outside. Even on low boost, it's just going to light it up. So
Yeah.
Pretty savage, you're going to see.
Alright, cool. Let's do it. I see man got the little hydro.
Yeah, pop.
All right. Oh my god.
Little third gear.
Bro, that just comes up. Bro, it's hard to stay in a straight line, isn't it?
Yeah, I told you. It hangs out so nice though, isn't
Oh my god.
Bro, that's low boost.
Big Luke in the building. What are you telling them?
Oh, my G, love it.
Hey, this is mad. This is too mad. Yeah. Killed it. All right, Luke, we are back from Mexico, bro. That was absolutely crazy.
Yeah.
One of the most certified drivers
Thank
here.
You, bro. Thank you, Jamie.
Wait, honestly, that car is something else.
Car special, man. It works well,
Yep.
goes sideways well. As you guys saw, that was just a little bit of low boost. You can just imagine what it's like at 2.2 bar with ethanol. But yeah, no, it's honestly, Mexico's amazing. You guys should come one day. You know?
Well, listen, how about this? How about we do it like this? Get you back on the OG battles.
Yeah.
Get you up against another JDM legend. I'm gonna do the call out myself.
Oh.
I think it would be great to put your car up against an, like a similar powered RX-7.
Oh yeah.
So if anyone out there has got a similar powered or a very fast RX-7, line up, we'll make it happen, OG battles. This is your call out, this is your invite, yeah? What are you saying, you want it?
I'm down, man.
All right, he's down. All we need is a competitor.
We need you to join us.
All right, bro, but listen, back to business. Let's finish off here. You boys have been hard at work and obviously got this set of crazy coilovers fitted to the car. Bro, you've done the Geo, everything looks sick, and now we have the ride height that we want at the back. Perfect now, because it's just a touch higher than the front.
That's it.
You know, but
That's
also what we did do is we set the rebound a lot stronger, right?
It. Yep, so now when you squat, when you launch your car, it shouldn't squat too hard, and it should kind of level out and it should give you maximum grip. So,
of course, yeah.
Yeah, we went for a little blast in it. I'm just still shocked how well it's hooking up. It's got R888s, it's got the new BC coilovers, which are amazing, and then obviously the Geo.
by Luke.
And we went out on the roads and it's greasy, and this car's like an arrow.
It's mad,
it's
mad.
Like an arrow.
It's like,
I'm surprised.
Honestly, guys, this is first time in the car. The car is so crazy, and this is on pump fuel too, and it just pump fuel, semi-slicks, cold, wet, and it still just grips. So yeah, unfortunately, guys, we can't do any launches right now because launch control at this moment in time is not set up yet. However, in a couple of weeks' time, we are linking up with Romain from Race Cow. We have a runway. We're going to dial it all in, then we're going to send it.
That's going to be amazing.
So yeah, man, a massive shout out to BC once again because they always come through with the good stuff, especially this ER series. They are the creme de la creme. So obviously, big up to BC. Check the links in the description. Check them out. Obviously, all links will be there. They've got kits for literally every car. So check them out. I've got them on pretty much all of my cars. And
get BC equipped.
he said it. He said it right there. So
get BC equipped and then get the sauce from me.
That's it. So also go check out Luke. He's got a YouTube channel. I'll leave that in the description. And also he's got various Instagram pages. I'll leave both of those in the description too. Don't forget to smash the subscribe on my side. And
smash it down.
What else are we saying?
That's it.
That's it.
10-10 video,
That's
mate.
it. Geo by Luke. Full send, next video, and then full send with the mad S15. Guys, if you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace
out.